Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So it's a little bit windy today. I'm going to try to film some gardening stuff, and so we'll see how this goes. But what I'm going to do in today's video is get this tarp off the ground and probably go ahead and hammer in some T-posts at each corner where I want the corners to be, and then I'll just kind of go from there. I might run some fencing so I can fit the rest of my T-post in, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. So this might be a multi-day project depending on how quick it takes me. So I hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section, and go check out some of the other content when you're done with this video. Thanks everybody. So we're going to get back out here working in the garden. We're going to rake up some of the dead grass and get it on the outside, and then we're going to start laying bags out where we want to have our little garden sections inside the big coop, or inside the big garden area where there's walking paths in the middle and around. It'll make it look nicer. So enjoy the next clip. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. And as soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Thanks for all the recent. All right everybody, so we just got done raking all of that old dead grass out of the way, and any little bit of maybe extra seeds or something like that that might potentially sprout. I'm sure that we didn't get everything, but that's okay. We just want to get as much as we can, and then we're going to start marking. I just put the T-post in for the main fence line, and then before I put any fence up, we're going to go ahead and get most of these bags of topsoil, compost, and mulch in here, as well as our cardboard. We saved a bunch of cardboard from when we did our Christmas shopping last year, and so we'll lay down those in the pathways and then put mulch down on top of that. I might end up yard stapling in the cardboard just to make sure it doesn't like flow away during like a big rainstorm or something like that, but otherwise I'm basically just laying cardboard down, mulch on top of that for the pathways, and then everything we'll be planting, no cardboard, just a mulch, and then we'll separate the mulch when we get ready to actually plant the seeds. So you're about to see us put the bags out and start kind of marking our little spots where we're going to do the actually have our little sections of planting stuff. So enjoy the rest of the clip. All right everybody, that's going to be a wrap for the day. So I'm probably tomorrow, I'll probably get back out here, lay plastic down on this half, and we're going to use this half for pumpkins next year. So I'll lay my plastic back down, weight it down, and then get all of my like materials and supplies except for the mulch back in here on the plastic side. And then after that, then I'll be able to get a fence if I want to around it. It's just like a temporary fencing, or like a takedown, put up and take down fencing, nothing permanent. And then and then I can just throw, you know, load up the bags of mulch in my truck or something and back them up to the opening on the fence if I put it up or whatever, and then but start throwing the cardboard down on the pathways, and then immediately follow up with the mulch like I mentioned earlier. So but I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. Me and my wife, we can put our heads together on that, and hopefully get you an answer, point you in the right direction. So go check out some of the other content to see what we're doing out here at the farmhouse and the property. And until next time, Bigfoot.